Good morning everyone. I am Daksh Nagar of class 10th. Today I am going to present a video presentation in front of you as my economics project submitted to Mr. Aditya Roy Chaudhary. Sir, so let's start. Sector of Indian economy. Economic activities are classified into groups using some important criteria. These groups are known as sectors of economy. People around us are engaged in different activities to earn livelihood. Some may be producing goods while others may be delivering services. Classification on the basis of nature of activities. Sector of Indian economy. Primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary sector. The economic activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. For example, agriculture, fishing, mining, etc. falls under primary sector. Secondary sector. The economic activities which are related to manufacturing process, for example, manufacturing of steel falls under secondary sector. Tertiary sector. The economic activities that are mostly based on providing service to the society like transportation, banking, insurance, etc. falls under tertiary sector. The three sectors are dependent on each other: primary, secondary and tertiary. Let us discuss about GDP. Gross Domestic Product. The value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year provides the total production of the sector for that year, and the sum of production in the three sectors gives the gross domestic product of a country. GDP shows how big the economy of a country is. Comparing the three sectors between 1973 and 2003. The graph 1 shows GDP of primary, secondary and tertiary sector. In 1973, secondary sector is very less according to tertiary and primary sector. Let us talk about by graph 1. GDP by primary, secondary and tertiary sector. In 1973, secondary sector is very less according to tertiary sector and primary sector, and in 2003 the tertiary sector is very high according to secondary sector and primary sector. Let us discuss graph 2. Share of sectors in GDP in percent. In 1973, secondary sector is very less according to tertiary sector and primary sector, and in 2003 tertiary sector is very high according to secondary sector and primary sector. In graph 3, share of sectors in employment. In 1973, primary sector is very high according to secondary and tertiary sector, and in 2000 the tertiary sector is minimum according to secondary and primary sector. Now let us discuss classification on the basis of ownership. Sectors of economy: public and private. Public sector. The government owns most of the assets and provide all the services. Private sector. Ownership of assets and delivery of services is in the hands of private individual or companies. Classification on the basis of employment. Sectors of economy: organized, unorganized. Organized sector. People have assured work and term of employment and regular. Unorganized sector. It consists of small and scattered which are not in the control of the government. It has low pay and unsecured jobs. Let us talk about unemployment. Unemployment. When a person is willing to work at the prevailing wage rate but fails to get a job, it is called unemployment. Types of unemployment. Unemployment is 5 types: seasonal, disguised, structural, cyclic, frictional. Let us discuss. The employment which generates due to the variation in seasons is called seasonal unemployment. When more people are working than required, it is called disguised unemployment. When the economy fails to generate enough jobs, it is called structural unemployment. The unemployment that is created because of depression in the economy, it is called cyclic unemployment. When unemployment happens because of transferring from one job to another, the period between changing the job is called frictional unemployment. Thank you.